we are going to see how to design this rollout banner using Pixellab. Let's begin. So here is the size of the flyer. Okay, you can copy it. Okay, then let's begin. We are going to use a Bezier tool to create our custom shape. Okay, so I'll click here and I'll click on the Bezier, but I want to change the background before I proceed. So I'll click here, then I'll come to color. Okay, I'm going to select this white color here for now. I'll click here, I'll click on the Bezier. Alright, then click here. Okay, you can arrange your shape now. Click on it and manipulate things around like this. Okay, if you're okay now, click here, add another node here, add another node here, then click here, scroll down, click here to connect the two nodes. Okay, after closing the node, click here, then bring this one down. Okay, click here, bring this one down like this, then scroll down. You can see opacity, increase it to 100%. Okay, because the background is white, so let me change to black. You can see now this is the custom shape we are going to create. Okay, then I can change the color now, so I'll click here and I'll go to color. I'm going to use the black color as my design background like this, so I'll click here and I'll click here, I'll select the shape, right click on the crop, and I'm going to crop it like this. Okay, so, something like this. Okay, if you're okay now, click on the tick mark here, then go to color, click here, enable the color. Now you can give any color that you want. Okay, now I want to place the shape somewhere around here like this. Okay, I'm going to click here, I'm going to select this gold color here. Okay, I'm going to place the shape, okay, where I want it to be, some place like this. Okay, then I'll arrange it well. After arranging it, okay, I'll come to relative position, I'll center it like this, right, and I'll copy it. Okay, I'll leave this one, and I'll select this one here. I'm going to copy it again, then I'll bring this one here. I'm going to change the color to black, so I'll click here, I'm going to select the black color here. You can see I'm going to place it here. Okay, then come to relative position, click on it, center it. Okay, I'm going to click on the position and I'm going to reduce this one and I'll bring it down small like this. Right, I'm going to click on it again and copy it again, then bring it here. I'm going to change the color to the gold color again, so I'll click here and place it here. Right, I'll come to relative position and center it, click here, click on the position, reduce, move it at the top small. Okay, something like this. Okay, I'll click here, then I'll lock that particular shape. Okay, then I'll click here, I'll click on the plus from gallery to import my image. So this is the image that I'm going to use. I'll click here. Okay, I'll bring it here like this, I'll hold it here to reduce the size. Okay, then I'll bring it somewhere around here, then I'll come to relative position, center it. Okay, come here, click to back. Okay, send it to back and click on the layer, click here to lock it. Okay, then click on the position, bring it down small. Okay, let's bring it down small. It's okay like this. Then click here, select the first shape here. Okay, the down, click here, then come to color, give a dark color like this, click here, lock it. Okay, select the second one, click on color, then give the gold color here, click here, select the last one on top. Okay, then click here, give a dark color. You can see now. So click here. Okay, then click here, select the three shape. Okay, merge them together to make it one. Okay, then click here. You can see now we have one shape. Then click here and lock it, unlock this shape. Okay, then bring it on top like this, select it. Okay, then come here to front. You can see now. So we are going to rotate this particular shape, rotate it like this. Okay, but before that, copy it again and leave this one. We are going to work with this one, then bring it here. Okay, bring it here. Okay, you can arrange the format of the shape. You can reduce it like this. Okay, bring it here like this. Come to relative position, click here, center it like this. Okay, you can click on the position to bring it down small like this. Okay, then copy it and bring this one on top. Come to color, click on it, select the black color here, you can see, then arrange it on top of the gold color now. Okay, then come to relative position, arrange it like this. Right, click here, then move the black one top small like this. Then the distance is okay. Then I'll click here and I'll click here like this. Okay, I'll make sure I'll merge the two shapes together, this one and this one. So I'll click here, I'll select the two and merge them together to make it one shape. You can see now. And I'll click here, I'll lock it. Okay, you can see there is small black here, so click here, okay, and click here, select white as a background. You can see, don't worry about that one. Click here, go to shape. Okay, bring a new shape here like this. Okay, then come to color here, change it to black. You can see, click here, you can decide to merge them together like this shape and this particular here. Okay, you can see now they are one shape. Okay, then you can click here and lock it, then you can click here to bring it down. Okay, just bring it down here, lock this one, select this one and copy it. Okay, bring it down. Okay, click here, then flip it like this and click here to flip it like this. Right, then come here, come bring it down, come to relative position, center it like this. Okay, you can click here to bring it down small, something like this. Alright, let's click here. I want to see the position, so I'll click here. I'm going to bring this one to 98%. Okay, 98%. Then I'll click here to see the exact place where my shape is going to be. Okay, I want my shape to be on top of the 98%, so I'll leave it here. Okay, come to relative position, center it, then remove the guide, copy the shape and bring it here, send it to back. Okay, but to do that, click here and bring it down here. See now, click here, lock the top one, then bring this one here. You can increase the size small like this, bring it here, come here, come to rotate. You can say rotate, then you can rotate it now like this. Okay, if you think it's okay, I think it's too big, so I'm going to rotate it again. Come to rotate, I'm going to rotate it like this. Okay, I want something like this. Okay, I think it's okay now, so I'll click here. Okay, I'll merge the two shapes together to make it one. You can see now, click here to go back, then you can click on the position. Okay, to bring it down. One thing you can do is that you can click here to change the size of the shape. If it is too big, then bring it here. I'm going to enable my guide. Okay, I'll click here. Right, I think I'll bring it on top small. Click here. Yeah, it's okay now. Then I'll click here and lock it, lock all the shape. I'm going to delete this one. So now we left our text, so I'll click here. If you have a logo, you can bring the logo. Let me bring my own. Okay, click here, then I'll come to front. Okay, I'm going to place here, so I'll click here. I'm going to zoom out, place here like this. Okay, and click here to zoom out, click here to lock it. If you have a logo, you can add the logo. If you don't have, you can add the name of the business if you want. Then I'll click on the shape here, I'll click here, I'm going to circle shape here, then click here, click on the color here, then go and select the gold color here. Okay, bring it somewhere around here, reduce the size. Okay, you can click here, then zoom out, okay, so that you see where you are placing your information. Then click here, place it here, something like this, okay, and copy the shape again. Then click on the guideline, click here, bring this particular one here, bring this one, or bring this one here, okay, bring this one here, then select this one, add one, okay, that one is going to be at the center. Then place this one here, click here to add another one, click here to add another line, then bring it here, select this one and add one, that one is going to be at the center. Then you can remove this one, okay, you can delete it, okay, you can delete them, bring this one here and lock it. Then enable this snapping tool, use the guide to center the circle, you can see now. Then bring the second one, reduce the size small, center it, go to color, I'm going to change to black like this, you can see. I'm going to increase the size small, okay, so I'll make sure I decrease the size to match this particular shape here. So I'm going to something like this, okay, I'll click here to zoom out and see, okay, I think it's okay now. So I'll click here, I'm going to lock the tool, and I'll click on the A here and bring a text, click here, double click on it, click here, okay, bring it here, click here to zoom out, okay, and click here to lock it, bring it here. I'm going to use a gold color for this particular text, so click on color, select the color here, okay, go to your phone. I'm going to use this one here, okay, then I'll go to position, then I'll come to align, click on it, center align, okay, come to line spacing, then reduce the space between the percentage and the off, okay, 15 is okay, okay. And what you can do, enable the guide, use it to center the text. Now you can see now, you can increase the size more like this, you can see it's going to be on top, so do like this, and come to line spacing, bring it down small, you can see, then center it. You can click here and move this line down small like this, then center it like this, you can see, okay. So we can click here to lock it now and zoom out. You can click here, select the text and copy it, then click here to add another text again, bring it in, double click on it, click here to make it capital and click here, increase the size, okay, come to color, select a white color here, then come here to font. So we are going to use this one here, poppins italic, okay, so come here and go to rotate now, come to rotate, then rotate it, okay, rotate it like this. We are going to use the guideline to see the rotate, okay, you can see now we are going to rotate it like this, which is 24, okay, 25, okay, then click here, increase the size. I think the rotate is too much, I'm going to reduce the rotate, so I'll click on the rotate, okay, I want to do something like this, okay, something reasonable, something like this, okay. I want this one and this one to be on the same line, you can see, so you can rotate it 10, okay, 10 is perfect. Then you can increase the size now, disable this snapping tool, then increase the size like this, okay, and go to relative position, center it, perfect, remove the guide, okay, come here, okay, you can still reduce the size of the text, okay, reduce it small like this, okay, then come to relative position, center it, this one is perfect, okay, copy it and bring it here, reduce the size, double click on it, then click here. Okay, go to color, click here. I'm going to select this gold color here. Now come here to font. I'm going to select a stylish font. This font called black. Okay, this one. Increase the size small like this and place it here. Alright, then come here to relative position, center it. Okay, I'm going to reduce the size more. Click here, center it, and click here to lock the text now. Now if you have another information, you can add them. Okay, I'm going to use this default text here, so I'll click on the quote here. I'm going to select this one. Okay, so if you have more information, you can add here. Okay, I want to reduce the size like this. Then I'll go to my phone, going to change the phone, click here, I'm going to select this one here, right? And I'm going to align, come to align, center align, okay? Increase the size, something like this. Okay, align it to well, okay, align the text. Then come to relative position, center it like this, click here and lock it. Okay, click here to bring another text. You can bring this one here. Then I'm going to write order now. Okay, make it capital, click here, reduce the size, go to color. I'm going to select a black color, then go to my phone. I'm going to select this one here. Okay, then I'll go to background, click on it, enable it, select the gold color. Okay, the left padding give 7, 8. Okay, and the right padding give 8. Okay, the down padding -2. Okay, yeah, -2 or 3. So okay, then come to radius. Okay, you can give the type of shape you want. I want to give something like 10, right? This one's okay. Then I can reduce the size and place it here. Come to relative position, click here and center it, right? I'm going to add another text again, so I'll click here, click on the plus and bring this one here. I'm going to write the contact number. Click here, okay, reduce the size. I'm going to change the color to white. Then go to my phone, I'll click here. I'm going to select this one here. Okay, I will bring it here, come to relative position, center it, alright, copy it and bring it here. I'm going to reduce the size and I'll write the website if you have any. Okay, I will click here, come to relative position, center it, right? Now our design is perfect, so you have to go through to check if there's some mistake inside. You can correct them. Like I want to bring this one down, so I'll click here, I'll bring it down like this, right? I'll select the number again, come to position, bring it down. Okay, I'm going to select this one, I can increase the size small. Then I'll come to relative position, center it, right? And click here, and bring it down small. And this one too, I'll click here. Okay, I'm going to unlock it, right? And I'll bring it down small. You can see, you can bring it down small. Click here like this, and click here, click on the position, then bring the two down like this. And in case you have the name, okay, name of the shop or the boutique, you can add it here. Okay, so this is how you can design. Let me move this one on top, fishing. Okay, I come to position, put on top small. So I think everything is perfect now. You can go ahead and save it as project. Okay, after that, save it as a project. Let me go and save it. Okay, and I'll click here. I'll go to save as image, and I'll click here. I'll go to Ultra, save to gallery, and you are done.